Hello friends, and welcome back to Math Done Right. This video is special because it marks the start of the first ever series on the channel. Each series will contain 4 to 5 videos in a single playlist that will go over the core ideas of a concept. We will be covering graphing points and finding the slope and y-intercept of a line.
Each video will contain a tutorial, example problems completed by us, and sample practice problems for you to practice on your own. If you watch the videos of the series in order and do practice problems, you'll master the concept by the end of the series. Remember, friends, math doesn't need to be hard or require a bunch of work if you learn it
The right way.
Let's first go over the concept of a point. Make sure you remember this important fact. A point always comes as 2 numbers. It looks like this point. The first number before the comma is the x value, and the number after the comma is the y value. It's easy to remember if you think about it like this. X comes before y in the alphabet, so the x value is first, and the y value comes after. Okay, Walt. That's not even math. Go back to sleep if you're not going to say anything useful. Anyway, the x value determines how far left or right a point goes on a graph, and the y value determines how far up or down it goes. Before we discuss how to graph a point, including how to tell which numbers go up or down, let's first take a look at the graph. As you can see, a graph points in 4 directions and has 2 lines. The x-axis goes from left to right. The y-axis goes up and down. Going right on the x-axis gives you positive numbers, and going left gives you negative. Going up on the y-axis gives you positive numbers, and going down gives you negatives. We have a neato trick to show those of you who have trouble remembering which way is positive and which way is negative. Think about life for a second. Generally, being positive is the right thing to do. And when you have a positive attitude, your mood and outlook on life goes up. So, right and up are 2 positive sides. Once you mark those 2 with positive numbers on the graph, it's easy to mark the left and down sides with the negative numbers. Okay, friends, it's time to take a look at some points and determine whether it goes left and right or up and down. After a few guided examples, we will put up some problems for you to practice.
X first before y, so x is -3. X goes in the left and right direction, and it's negative, so it will go to the left 3. Remember the mantra, right and up are positive. Y goes up and down, and it's a positive 2, so it'll be up 2. The point -3, 2 is 3 to the left and 2 up from the center. X is 5. X is positive, so it will go right 5. Y is negative, so it'll go down 12. The point is 5 to the right and 12 down from the center. X is -2, so left 2. And y is -6, so down 6. The point is left 2 and down 6 from the center. In the next frame, we will show you 6 points we want you to solve for practice. It'll be a good idea to pause the video, take a picture of, and solve the problems, as the answers will be shown 10 seconds after. If you get all or most of the directions of the points correct, congratulations! You're ready to move on to the next tutorial and start graphing points. Alright, let's go! There's no shortcut to mastering math. You have to practice. Once you get the reps in, you'll see our shortcuts and tricks start to work for you, and you'll be well on your way towards passing that math class.
Okay, friends, we will see you in the next tutorial in the series. Bye now.